Think you can market everyone? Think again. That won't work. And in this video, I'm going to show you why. I'm also going to show you how to figure out who you should be marketing to. Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you want simple videos that help you learn to make money online, because affiliate marketing just doesn't need to be that complicated. Hey friends, welcome to the channel. I'm Susan Ritchie, an affiliate marketing coach. Since you're watching this video, I'm thinking you're in the early stages of learning to make money online through affiliate marketing. Comment yes below if that's true and no if it's not. Your target audience is the group of people who will be most interested in a product you yourself promote. A lot of people agonize over what their target audience should be, but because you're watching this video, you won't have to. I'm going to make it simple for you. First, I want to explain why you can't market to everyone. There's an expression in marketing. If you're marketing to everyone, you're marketing to no one. This is because, however you're marketing, you have a very short time to capture someone's attention, a few seconds at most. To capture someone's attention, you need to show you understand them and their problems. Early on in my business, I was trying to capture quite a wide range of people. My target audience then was older women who were concerned about money for retirement. I had some success, but my business really took off once I narrowed down my target and started talking directly about the new target audience's problems and the solutions I had. My new target market is divorced or divorcing women who are ages 45 to 65, who no longer have sufficient income and are driven to create financial stability for themselves. The very first TikTok video I targeted to that audience got huge engagement, and that's continued. Knowing your target audience is essential. It will help you choose products, tone, the words you use, and the places you promote. If you're finding this video useful, hit that like button to let me know, and be sure to stay to the end of the video for my #1 tip about your audience. As I said, a lot of people overcomplicate choosing their audience, and it really doesn't need to be complicated. As a new affiliate marketer, I have very strong advice about who your target audience should be. Are you ready? It should be people like you, people who share your problems, people who have similar goals. By making people like you your target audience, you've simplified your life enormously. You already know the problems they have. And when you talk, they'll listen because they know you get them and they get you. One day, when you're an experienced affiliate marketer, you can think about other audiences. But for now, when you're starting out, your target audience should be people like you. If that's helpful, make sure you hit the subscribe button for more videos like this one. And I'm going to get to my #1 tip about your audience in just a moment. I've talked about the reason you simply cannot market to everyone, the importance of understanding your target audience's problems, and how you can simplify your life by making your target audience people like you. To get started with affiliate marketing, click the first link below for the very inexpensive, really excellent course I took to get my start. And click the link below that to join my Facebook group, so you can get support from me and from the more than 1,300 members who are also building an affiliate marketing business. Here's my #1 tip to success with your target audience. You need to have a helping mindset rather than a selling mindset. Just about everyone wants help, and almost no one wants to be sold to. By helping people, by genuinely wanting to help people, you'll be making genuine connections and be seen as trustworthy. This is part of the all-important concept of know, like, and trust. People buy from people they know, like, and trust. Being genuinely helpful lets people get to know you, come to like you, and learn to trust you. If this video is helpful, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and stick around for the next video to learn more about starting your own successful affiliate marketing business. I'm Susan Ritchie, and I'll see you on the next video.